PropTalk readers, Kaylee Jasinski here. I am on Beaver Lake today in Arkansas, and I got a chance to test out the brand new Sea-Doo RXT-X with the new Rotax 1630 325 horsepower engine. This is currently the most powerful horsepower engine in the PWC market right now, and it is fast. It goes 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, tops out at 70 miles an hour, and it is so much fun. We're going to show you what it was like out on the water, and if you want to learn more, stay tuned to PropTalk.com.
Currently, you will find the new supercharged Rotax 1630 ACE 325 horsepower engine on the 2024 RXT-X and the RXP-X. While the RXP-X promises unparalleled high-performance control, the RXT-X is all about stability. A lower center of gravity improves rider confidence in rough water, at high speeds, at rest, and with 3 passengers. The platform is also wider for easy boarding and movement around the watercraft. The Deep V ST3 hull increases performance in rough water and provides better control while cornering, giving riders the best of both worlds. It has the same 325 horsepower Rotax engine, but it is fully configured for offshore speed, stability, and control. On the RXP-X, a high-performance supercharged engine is paired with an impressive hull design for superior handling. Utilizing the T3R Ultra Deep V design enables pinpoint precision, especially in rough water. A unique shark gill design at mid-hull regulates airflow under the hull, giving the rider more predictable handling at high speeds. Aggressive X sponsons further improve confidence in tight turns. Sea-Doo has also announced the launch of the GTR-X with its supercharged Rotax 1630 300 horsepower ACE engine, signaling what they considered the rebirth of accessible high-performance PWCs. The GTR-X features the lowest cost per horsepower in the industry. For those looking for a mix of performance, versatility, and price accessibility, this model would check a lot of those boxes. While it has 300 instead of 325 horsepower, it still achieves a 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration time of around 4 seconds, thanks to an extended VTS, launch control, and polished impeller. So how best to describe these 3 new Sea-Doo models? The GTR-X is playful and predictable, the RXT-X has superior stability and control, and the RXP-X offers unparalleled high performance. To learn more about these models, check out our full review at PropTalk.com. Don't miss another PropTalk video, subscribe to our channel today.